This is Plenty, a vertical farming startup that's leading agri-food tech innovation by growing acres worth of non-pesticide produce in small spaces while relying on 100% renewable energy. It claims to rival conventional outdoor farming by producing 400 times the yield while using less than 1% of the land and 5% of the water. For example, each vertical farm can grow 1,500 acres worth of produce in a building that is the size of a big box grocery store. Its favorably nutritious fruits and vegetables are pesticide-free and certified non-GMO. Plenty precisely manages every growth variable in its indoor vertical farms, from the air to humidity, light, water and soil. All of these are monitored around the clock to ensure healthy plant growth. Plenty further optimizes these growth cycles by utilizing its agri-food tech platform, which leverages data analytics, machine learning and customized lighting. The use of LED lights is especially pivotal for photosynthesis. Plenty points out that the photosynthetic wavelengths are synced with the crop's growth to minimize energy usage and optimize yields. Currently, Plenty is operating the world's most efficient leafy greens farms at its South San Francisco headquarters, with additional R&D facilities in Laramie, Wyoming. Founded in 2013, the privately held VC-backed agriculture technology company is also slated to open a new farm in Compton to service the greater Los Angeles area. It's raised over $226 million from investors, including SoftBank's Vision Fund, Bezos Expeditions, and Innovation Endures, etc. Additionally, Plenty has teamed up with retail group Albertsons, with packaged salad greens stocked at 430 Albertsons stores, and Driscoll's, which will involve R&D around strawberry cultivation. Given this tumultuous year with the presence of raging global pandemic and our overall reliance on produce across the world, the need for alternative farming methods is in high demand, not to mention food waste by the time produce actually gets to the shelves and may spoil faster. The recent disruptions in the global supply chain caused by the West Coast wildfires and COVID-19 have highlighted how quickly our access to quality produce can be thwarted, highlighted Matt Barnard, co-founder and CEO at Plenty. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.